Hello everyone, my name is Al Amir Rashid. You are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. So on this particular video, we are going to learn how to create this beautiful burger flyer design in Canva using our smartphone. And I promise you that this particular video is going to be packed with valuable information and content that you don't know before. So without further ado, let us get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the comment section of this video. There is a link in the find comment. That is a link that will redirect you to the resources. This particular resources, you can see them here. Here is the background I use. Here is the burger. Here is the fries. Here is the onion that I use in the design. So what you will do is to click on this background, click on this, select them all, and then click on this three dot update to download everything. Click on this three dot update to download everything, and then click on download like you have it here. You will have it automatically downloaded on your smartphone. Okay, so for now that you have everything, this is the particular flyer we are going to replicate. I provide it for you so that you can differentiate if you got this place right or if you got that place wrong. Okay, so for now I have everything. Let me go back to Canva. Okay, let me get back to the home menu to start the design from beginning. Okay, so what you will do right now is to click on this three dot down there, click on it like this, and then click on custom size. Click on custom size and then try 3200 by 3200, and then click on create new design. And let me remind you about something. Don't bother yourself to say that you must use Canva web version. You can use this tutorial on both Canva web version and Canva mobile app. There is no difference. I prefer to use the Canva web version instead of the Canva mobile version. That is just my choice. I don't say you must use it. Okay, so for now we have our canvas like this. This place is usually called canvas. The place that you input your content, I hope you understand me, is called canvas. This is the right place to input our content. Okay, so I know some of you will be bothered to see this particular line, dash line in my canvas. So how to input that? That is a margin line. Just click on three dot off here. You can see the flash size cycle in Canva. Then click on it and then click on view setting here, view setting, and then click on view setting and then click on show margins. Show margins, you can see it there. Okay, when you click on it, you may have it like my own. And for this place also, if you want to change your own, you didn't see that, just click on this three dot also and then click on view setting and then click on show fetch thumbnails. Show fetch thumbnails like this. I hope you understand me. You will have your own like mine. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to click on this plus button down there and then click on offload and offload all the resources. Just click on offload. It will redirect you to your phone memory, to your phone file manager to upload everything that you downloaded from Google Drive. Okay, so for me, I have everything automatically in Canva. I have uploaded them in Canva. I don't need to bother myself to go and do that again. So the first thing I need to do is to click on this flyer to replace the background. Let me delete it. Click on the background like this and then click on replace to replace the background with the flyer. You can see it there. You can see this is the flyer that I created. Yes? No. This is the flyer that I created. This is a picture of it. I hope you understand. I upload to Canva so that I can see that I got this place right or wrong. Okay, so for now, what you will do is to click on this page plus button to add another page. When you didn't see that, what you will do is to just open another page like this. Just slide with your hand, you open another page. So that is it. Okay, so the next thing you need to do here is to click on the background like this and then click on replace to replace the background with this particular red background that I provided to you. Okay, so click on this plus button also and then go to element to search for curve, and then click on see all there, or maybe you can click on graphics. you can decide where to click by yourself. So I prefer to click on graphics and then move down to get the free one. Don't ever touch on the one that you see it is a pro version. Don't touch on it. Hope you understand me. Then click on this one. So if you can see here, let me show you something. If you can see here, I rotate the curve to be vertically. So how can you achieve that on that particular slide? Let us go there. So how I did this is to click on this particular curve and then come to color, move down and change the color of it to white, and then rotate it. Use this particular rotate icon. You can see it there. Just click on it and rotate it like I do. You can see it there. You can see how I did it. Yes. So it is not too hard to do that. Make sure your rotation reach the line. You can see. Let me show you. Make sure this place show you a line. Let me show you right now. You can see often I didn't get it. Yes, so that you can have everything clearly. Yes, so for now I got it right. What do I need to do is to increase the size of it. Increase the size of it. Increase it like this. And then bring it down. I hope you understand me. Just bring it down without wasting of my time. So what do I need to do next is to click on color and then click on this plus and then add this particular color code that I'm gonna see to you right now, that I'm gonna type right now. It's F3C501. That is the color code. Okay, so when you input this color code, you are on the right lane. Okay, so what I will do, I need to rotate it a little bit. So how can I do that? I need to do something like this. I hope you understand me. Yes, and then duplicate it and then change the color of it to white. I hope you understand me. And then move it aside and rotate it back to the main place. Yes. Yes, I want to achieve something that I do here. You can see how I am doing it. Yes. So to achieve that, you need to follow this particular step that I follow. Okay, so I think I got it for now. But as I'm seeing, I need to move them off a little bit. Yes. And then move this also up a little bit. Just try, and maybe if your hand is shaking, you can use nudge to move it up. Just try and get it right. I hope you understand me. It cannot be the same thing. Yes, I know that you cannot make it the same thing, but at least you can try to get it right like I got it there. Okay, so for now I think I have almost what I need to get there. So what next for me right now is to input the main text. Maybe I can input the burger, or maybe we can start with the text. So let us input the text first. Click on this, add T. You can see it there. When you click on plus button, add a little bit of body text and then take it off here. You can see what I do, and then click on it and write delicious. Yes, I write delicious up there. Click on it. Maybe we can lock this so that it won't affect our design. Just click on this curve and lock it like this. I hope you understand me. And then click on this, come to not color, come to font, FF, and then search for Achibo. Yes, I use Achibo font for this, Achibo black. And then I use font size, I think 247 for this, 247. Yes, I use that. Let me move it a little bit with nudge so that I can't use my hand to let it misbehave. Okay, so I got it. What next for me is to click on this plus button also and add a little bit of body text, and then click on it and take it up there and write burger menu. I write burger menu there in the other flyer. So write burger menu and then click on it and then come to font and search for Montserrat. Classic, and then use that Montserrat Classic, and then use the font size of 77. I think I use 77.2 in the other flyer. Okay, then I go to format and make it bold. Make it bold, and then come to spacing and increase the line spacing to 635. Letter spacing, sorry, not line spacing. And then take it off like this, or maybe you can use notch to take it off if your hand is shaking also. So what next for you is to head over to color and change the color of it to this yellow color. You may have it there. I hope you understand me. You may have that particular color there. Don't bother yourself to input the color code. And even if you forget the color code, you can check it and input it again. Okay, so what next for me right now is to input the particular burger and the fries. So let me go there and do it right now. Go to offload. I have it here. This one. Okay, I can reduce it a little bit. Let me see what I do here. Yes, it is very small, so I don't need to. Make sure it is in the center. There is this particular red line showing, so that you can know your design is very aligned. That's why I prefer Canva more than Pixellab. Okay, so I think I got what I need. So what next for me is to input the fries. Let me just go over there and click on it and then reduce it. On this place, I rotate it a little bit. Yes, I take it to this place and then rotate it like this. Open the line and then go to the position and take it backward. You can see what I did, backward. Yes. So when you want to touch on it, maybe you can zoom in so that you can see there is some places that is showing it is not yet filled up. Often understand me. So you can just click on that particular place, you can see, and then move it up a little bit, or maybe you can rotate it again. I hope you understand me. Just to get what you need. Yes, you can do that. Yes, so for now I got that right. What next for me is to click on this plus button also and go to element, click on element and search for shadow. Yes, you can search for shadow. You can use this one since you are a Canva free user. I hope you understand me. You can use this particular shadow to input it in the down of the burger so that it can show a shadow on it. I hope you understand me. You can see it there. But for me, I will not use this shadow. Just click on it and go to position and bring it backward of the burger. You can see what I did. Backward of the burger, not to backward of the burger. Just bring it close to the burger and then bring it backward. I hope you understand. Now you have the shadow, but I will not use this one. I'll click on the plus button and select the other one since I'm a Canva paid user. Canva for education user. Okay, so I can input this one here. Maybe if I didn't see my design align, I can come to position and make it center and then bring it backward and then use this navigation key to bring it down like this. I hope you understand me. You can see what I got there. You can see what I have here. It is not something difficult to get that. Okay, I can go over to that particular place and make it center. Maybe I can use notch to bring it up a little bit if I like. Okay, so for now I got the burger set up. What next for me is to click on this plus button also and then come to elements and select this particular cycle. I hope you understand me. Select that particular cycle and reduce it with this key. Reduce it using this key. I hope you understand me. The key I touch right now, I cycle right now, reduce it with that particular key and then place it here. I hope you understand, because we need to input a fries tag to it. Okay, so let me bring it down a little bit. Okay, so I got it the way I need it. I can click on it and duplicate it and change the color of it to this particular red color Let me give you the color code. Okay, let me show you the color code. I got some call from my sister, so let me put the color code for you. Click on this plus and then input the color code like I said right now. 850202. That is the color code. Leave it like that. I hope you understand me. Maybe if we like to get more contracts on the design, we can change this yellow one to this particular white so that it can be more beautiful. You can see it. For this place, I use this particular yellow, but on this place, we can at least change it to this white if we like. If you like, I didn't say you must do that, but I can see it is more beautiful with the white one. I hope you understand me. Let us reduce it from here. Yes. So for now we got it right. What next for us to input is the price tag. I input $3 over there, so let us input the price. Click on this text and click on this, add a little bit of text. I write 3, input the dollar sign and the 3. So increase it and then click on it and go to fonts and change the font of it, search Bebas, and then select the first one, Bebas new, and then come to format and change it to bold. I hope you understand me. And then go to color and change it to white, and then come to font size. I reduce the font size of it. Reduce the font size of it to 286. 286 will be much okay and pretty. Yes, and then place it to be somewhere middle of this particular place. Yes, so I think I got this right. So what next to input is that particular arrow. So let us head over and input the arrow. Come to element and search for arrow. Just search for arrow and then click on graphics. I think I used this one. This is the right one I use. Yes, what I do is to use this particular rotate icon. I rotate it somehow like this. I hope you understand me. And then I go to flip. You can see flip. Yes, and then I flip it horizontally. Okay, vertically, sorry. I flip it vertically and then reduce the size of it and then also rotate it to get an arrow. I hope you understand, like call to action. That is what I do there, like call to action. Yes, and then I change the color of it to white. It is a free arrow to use. Don't bother yourself. It is a free arrow. You can use it. It is free one to use. Yes, so maybe I think I can reduce the size of it a little bit. Yes, so okay, free T right now. So what next for us right now, I think, is to input order now and the call icon. Okay, so go to text and add a little body of text also and bring it down here and input order now. Yes, and then go to click on it and go to font and search for Montserrat Classic. I got it down there. I don't need to search for it. And then go and make it bold and go to font size, not color, font size, and change the font size of it to 75.2. 75.2 is pretty much okay, and then place it over there. And then don't forget to duplicate it like this. Click on it and click on that plus and take it to this side, and then input your phone number or maybe the person phone number that will deliver the burger. I hope you understand me. Then input it just somehow. Even if it is someone number, you can just input. I hope you understand me. Even if it is a incorrect number, just to make the design better. That's why I input that. Okay, so I need to have it very aligned, not out of my margin. You can see I follow margin. I don't leave it to go somehow like this. I hope you understand. I make sure it is on this margin. Okay, so I got it. So what next for me again is to click on this text and duplicate it also and put it up there. What I input there, call and WhatsApp. Yes, call and WhatsApp. Yes, I input that and then click on it and go to font size. Reduce the font size of it to 47.9. Yes, and then go to format and make it bold, and then take it to this side. Yes, like this. Maybe you can bring it down a little bit, and then change the color of this to that particular red color and leave the other one as black, so that it can become, so that you can have a good hierarchy. Up, understand me? So that people can see what you are aiming them to see. Okay, so now second to the last thing I need to input is to go to element. Also click on element again and select this particular square shape and place it here. Don't leave it to go out of that particular margin. I like to have a good alignment on my design. That places you to become an expert. I understand, and people will love to work with you when you do that. Okay, make sure it is in the center of this, and then click on it and change the color of it to this red, and then change the color of the text to white. This is nothing difficult. You can see it there how I did it. Okay, so for this, what next for me is to click on this particular shape, duplicate it, and then take it to this place, make it to be very smaller. I hope you understand me. Yes, very smaller, and then close it somehow. I hope you understand me. And then place it somewhere here. So that is how I got that particular effect. You can see what I got there. It is not something difficult. So the last thing I need to input right now, okay, I have another text to input. Let us go over to text and then write burger. Not burgers, burger. Increase the size of it, and then come to font and search for codec. Yes, I use that, and then the font size of this is 667. Yes, I use 667. Make sure you place it in the center. Don't bother yourself even if it go out of your context, of your canvas. Just place it somewhere here, and then go to color and change the color of it to this yellow. I hope you understand me. And then go to transparency to reduce the transparency of it to 5, or maybe we can change it to 10 is too much. 8. No, let us use 10 for this, and then duplicate it. Just go to position to not deceive yourself. Go to position and click on center. It will be aligned on the center, and then duplicate it. I hope you understand me, just to get the right thing. So what you will do for the down ones, go to color and change the color of this to red, change this one to red, and then change the other one to red, and leave those two off there on that particular yellow color. So what you will do here is to click on this one down there and go to transparency to reduce the transparency of it to 5, or maybe we can change this to 6. 5 can be okay. 5, and this one can be 6. No, let us leave this one as 5 also, and this one to 3. Yes, and this one to 6. Yes, this one can be 6, and leave the other ones. I think I use 10 for those, or maybe we can reduce them to 8, just to get something. I hope you understand, just to enhance the design. So last thing we need to input is we need to input that particular onion we have in here. You can see it there. So click on this plus button and then come to upload, and then click on this onion. Reduce the size of it just by touching that particular edge, and then place it somewhere here. I did that, and it's become more beautiful. Okay, I forgot to do something. Just click on this burger and then bring it to back. You can see the to back to ease the things. Take it to back and then click on forward. Click on forward again. I hope you understand me. Click on this one, take it to back. Click on forward once. Click on forward second and leave it like that. Click on this one, take it to back. Click on forward once. Click on forward second and leave it like that. So you don't need to bother yourself, and the other ones just take them to back up there because you don't have anything to block them. So don't bother yourself, just like that. And then click on this onion, duplicate it also and place it somewhere here. I hope you understand me. Duplicate it again and place it somewhere here. Just rotate it to have something different. I hope you understand me. Just rotate it to have something different. So what I will do next is to click on this particular shape, red shape, click on it, duplicate it, and then take it to this place. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you find this video very helpful, like the video so that YouTube can show this video to more people. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. So for now, I think we got everything right. What you will do is to just click on this particular icon up there to download your own design, even when you are using Canva mobile version or Canva web version. So just click on that particular place and then click on it like this. Click on download and then select png, or maybe you can select jpg. I will suggest you to download your design as png. Select the phase 2, not phase 1. Download the only phase 2 since you do a design for phase 2. Okay, so when you are a Canva Pre user, you may not have this option. You may have it, but it will not be clickable. So for me, I can enhance the quality of the design to have it more clear than yours. I hope you understand me, because I'm a Canva Pro user. So you can download your design just like that. Even if you downloaded it like that, it is okay to use. It can be clear. I hope you understand. Don't bother yourself. So just click on download. It will be downloaded automatically to your smartphone file download. Okay, so I think that is all I'm gonna say on this video. Thank you very much. Don't forget that to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, like the video and comment if you find this video helpful. It is Al Amir Rashid again. I'm signing out.